In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. See your first property location and decided by attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. If you are planning to visit, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, go to link in description. If you are